Hey there and welcome to Matt's Garage. Well, unfortunately I'm locked out of my trunk on my Mercedes here. The button's not working and I know why. I've already been in there once. I was having troubles with it sticking. I thought I had solved it. It is the power lock linkage is getting in the way and basically locking it when I don't want it to lock it. And that linkage isn't working anymore. I actually have it disconnected. It's just like rattling over. There's like a little tab that rattles over and blocks the button from pushing in the catch in there. So my plan is to drill through the button. My key doesn't actually work in the lock either. I'm not sure whether the lock is the problem or it's the wrong key. It's been like that since I got the car. So anyways, I want to replace this anyway so I can put a lock in here again. So I'm just going to drill right through it and that should give me access to reach in there with a screwdriver or something and pop the latch open. There, now we're getting somewhere. Oof. It's quite deep. If you do this on a Ford lock, when you drill through the last tumbler, it's pretty cool because it unlocks and the trunk pops open. I'm not far in. Wow. It looks like it's almost at the end because it's drilled through on the top, but it's been like that for a while now. So yeah, if you're like a thief and you're looking at this video on how to break into a Mercedes, maybe just skip past. I think you'd be wasting a lot of time and you'd probably end up in jail if you tried this method. But if it's your own car, this is the way to get in without causing damage. I'd say we're through. Yeah, I'll just make the hole a little bigger so I have something to work through. And there we go. In without any damage other than to the lock, which was pretty much useless to me anyways. Here we go. I just figured I'd show you with the new latch in, old new latch. That's off a 65 W110, so 230 Fintail sedan. If you missed it, I actually did a video on tearing that car all down for parts. And so you can see here the parts are making their way onto other cars. I've sold some parts off that car too. I do hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have yourself a great day.